Recently, I have bought this EBO Air 2. This is a pet interaction and a home monitor. It can roll around at your home and you can see wherever your pet hides when you are not at home. So, this is a compact AI powered robot companion that's not just for fun but also a home monitor. So as you can see inside the box there are some user manuals, a charging dock and a charging adapter, and the EBO Air 2 unit itself, super small and sleek. The first impression, it looks like a toy and also something straight out of a science fiction movie. Small threaded wheels and those cute LED lights that actually show emotions. It has a minimal friendly design with the rubber wheels, but to be honest, when it is roaming around at my home, I heard noise because the wheel, but overall it is pretty good. At just around 9 centimeter tall, it's small enough to move under furniture and tight spaces. It equipped with a 2K HD wide angle camera with a 137 field of view, which I really like the quality of the camera, and it also has infrared sensors, dual microphones, speakers, and of course LED facial expressions, which is very cute. The facial expressions a fun touch. It can smile, wink, even act sleepy, depending on its mood or action. But it is not 100% AI robot which it can roam around and playing your pets. No, you have to customize, you have to give a command, then it act. So you can check your home in real time using the EBO app from anywhere. It records, encrypts 2K and support night vision too. So you can set up patrol times and EBO will move around the house on its own, avoiding obstacle and sending video updates. So about the pet companion mode, if you have got pets at home, this is amazing. If you are only buying for monitoring at your home and you don't have pet, then it's fine. But if you have got pets at home, then this is amazing. It interacts, plays laser pointers games and captures pet movements automatically. So there are two-way audio. You can talk to your kids, pets. It works well when the battery is low, or you can give a command. Both can work. It returns to its dock automatically. No need to chase it around. You can shut down the camera and mic anytime through the app. It also has scripted data transmission. It runs for about 1.5 to 2 hours on a single charge, and charging backup takes around 2 hours. It performs well on flat surface and light carpets as well. The EBO Air 2 is not just for fun gadget, it's a practical smart home companion, especially for pet owners or parents. It's like a moving security camera, pet toy, and friendly communicator all in one. If you are looking for something more than a static camera and you have cool AI gadgets, the EBO Air 2 is definitely worth considering. You can check out the link in the description, and thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tech views just like this. Let me know in the comment what feature of EBO Air 2 do you like the most. See you in the next video. Bye.
I'm going home to charge.